Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a glam makeup tutorial. I created this look right here. This turned out to be so good. I'm so impressed with my skills. I did this makeup particularly for Durga Puja. I know this season Durga Puja is, but still it's gonna happen in West Bengal and I'm so excited. This makeup look is for day look. I think it's appropriate for day look because nude lips, bold eyes. I feel I was going to do a simple makeup look, but it turned out to be like this, and I love it so much. Let's get started. First, I'm starting off with the moisturizer. This is by Jovis. This is Jovis Gold Moisturizer. Smells so good. I'm gonna be using an eye cream because it's a day look. Eye cream is very important. I'm just gonna take a little bit in my palm. I totally forgot to mention sunblock. Guys, sunblock is very important as it is a day look. You will definitely need a sunblock. Now I'm using my Maybelline's primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is actually good. It works good on me. That's why I use it. Okay, so skin prepping is done. Now next move to foundation. So I'm gonna mixing these two products. This is the Maybelline foundation and this is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. I'm gonna mix these two products. So dotting it out first. Then applying the serum. It will give a glowy base, I swear. Taking my damp beauty blender and blending it out. Next, I'm using my Maybelline's compact. I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm just gonna press this powder down all over my face. I'm not gonna swipe it. I'm gonna, dab it like this. Especially around my nose, around my eye area and my forehead. A lot of powder. Now I'm gonna lock my base with my setting spray. This is the NYX setting spray. Okay, so for the eye, I'm gonna conceal my eye first. Just using the same compact to set my eye base. I'm using this palette. This is by Beauty Glazed. This palette is so good. Because I'm wearing a light pinkish saree, so I'm gonna do this and this one. These two, I know you can't see properly, but these two are pink shades, and these are the dark pink shades, but I'm not gonna use these. Maybe I'll use these and these. First, I'm gonna be taking a clean fluffy brush. With that, I'm gonna be using this shade first. This is like dark pink. This is for the base. So tap off the excess. First I'm gonna wing it out. Then I'm gonna V like this. I'm going like that. First a wing, then like this. See, then it gives a nice cut. Now you know where you have to blend, right? So I'm just gonna blend this. I'm taking the light pink shade and applying it all over my crease and lid area and blending it out. Then I'm taking this light pink shade, shimmer shade, and this pigmentation, oh my god, you can see my excitement in this. This is so pigmented and it looks so good. Now I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners with this whitish shade. It's like a goldeny shade. Now I'll just do my brows because it looks sick. I'm using my Swiss Beauty palette to highlight. I'm just bronzing my face. I'm not gonna put blush today because eyes are already heavy. If you want, you can do eyelashes, but it's all on you. If you want, you can do only mascara, or if you want, you can put eyelashes. It depends on you. Today I'm gonna put eyelashes because it's gonna look dramatic. So I'll be back. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline's lipstick. This is the nude lipstick. This is in the shade Raw Cocoa. Then I used a little bit of lip gloss. It looked good. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page and all of the social media handles. Until then, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.